How to send money on Monzo app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can send money on Monzo app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to send money on Monzo app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all understand that Monzo is a Monzo banking mobile application here, right? So you can make transactions right from the mobile app. So for this, first of all, make sure you download the app. Open the Monzo application. Now if you have not yet created a Monzo account online, you can tap on I'm new to Monzo, or you can tap on I already have an account option. So tap on I already have an account option. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your Monzo account. Then tap the next option here, enter the password and login. When you log in, right from the home page, there you'll find the option to send the money. So you can go ahead and send that money, and then basically add the money and send it to someone on Monzo. This way you can send money on Monzo app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.